In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily edit a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro 10 or 11. Whether you're handling a work document that needs a few tweaks or you're helping out a friend with a quick fix, editing PDFs doesn't have to be a daunting task. So let's walk through this together, step by step, ensuring you feel confident in making those necessary edits. First things first, you'll want to open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. This powerful software is perfect for editing PDFs, making it as simple as possible to achieve professional results. Once your file is open, take a moment to review it and plan out any changes you want to make. It's always helpful to have a clear goal before diving into edits. Now, with your document open and ready to go, look towards the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll see a button labeled Edit. Clicking this will unlock a myriad of tools that truly put the power of editing into your hands. The functionality is quite user-friendly, despite the wide range of options available. If you're new to Adobe Acrobat, don't worry, it's designed to be intuitive, which means that with a bit of practice, you'll become proficient in no time. Next, we delve into the actual editing process. Once you're in edit mode, you'll find an array of tools available. You can add new text by selecting the Add Text feature. Simply click on the area of the document where you want to place your text and type away. When it comes to altering existing text, click directly on the text you wish to change. You can now edit it as if you were in a basic word processor. Stay on the lookout for other tools such as the image editor, which allows you to insert or replace images effortlessly. You can also resize them by dragging the corners or edges to fit them perfectly within your document. Once you've made all your desired changes, it's time to wrap things up by saving your edited PDF. It's crucial to save your work so you don't lose any changes. To do this, go to the File menu located in the upper left corner and select Save As if you want to keep the original file unchanged while saving the edited version under a new name. Otherwise, simply click Save to overwrite the existing file. This action tidies up your document, ensuring all edits are permanently applied and you're all set to share or print your newly polished PDF. And that's it. Editing a PDF with Adobe Acrobat Pro 10 or 11 is straightforward once you understand the fundamentals. With practice, you'll find yourself breezing through edits, making you look like a pro in no time. Happy editing!